So, Michael wants his wife Flora to consider getting into melon farming. So, we've taken them to meet Diane from Amiran and farmer Boni. Boni has 30 acres of melon. So, if anyone knows how to farm melon, it's Boni. So, you've been planting melons for how many years now?
For around 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Is it a good business?
Melon I've seen for the time I've been farming is the best plant because, like let's say the maturity dates. When you plant, you wait for just 80 days, then you harvest. Compared to tomatoes, which is so rigorous, and the market sometimes goes and to be bad.
Oh. And from the maturity date, for how many days do you take to finish the harvest?
Around 3 days, you come and finish, and you have the money in your pocket.
So you are able to do the planting again within a very short time?
Yeah.
How much harvest would you expect from, let's say, an acre?
An acre, on an average, let's say 20 to 25 tons. That's around 25,000 kgs to 20,000 kgs per acre.
The most important decision Flora needs to make is whether to plant an open pollinated seed or a hybrid seed. Open pollinated seeds are naturally pollinated in the field, whereas hybrid seeds are pollinated in a controlled environment to ensure good seed characteristics.
To get what Boniface is getting, you need hybrids, because open pollinated varieties, the yield is like 20% lower than the hybrid. Open pollination, germination can be very low, and hybrids, the germination is always okay. Another thing with open pollinated varieties is the diseases. They are not bred for any tolerances, so you'll have all sorts of the diseases.
So based on that, Michael, which variety do you think you would use?
I think hybrid.
Hybrid.
Yes.
You've mentioned of two types, the open pollinated and the hybrid.
Yeah.
Of the two, which is cheaper?
Hybrids are expensive than the open pollinated varieties. But when it comes to the seed rate, for hybrid you need 500 grams per acre. And for most varieties, this one ranges from 8,000 to 10,000 shillings. For OPV, you need about 2 kilos per acre. And 1 kilo of an OPV is like 4,000 shillings. So if you do the math, it's not too expensive to go with the hybrids when it comes to the benefits of the hybrids, because you only need 500 grams, germination is good, pest and diseases, you have tolerances and all this. So
Diana, what variety would you recommend to our farmers?
I would recommend to you the variety Maridadi F1. It's a variety that is from us, Amiran Kenya Limited. Maridadi F1 is a very high yielding variety. The weight per fruit is 8 to 12 kilos. Maridadi F1 to the farmer has resistances to Fusarium wilt. You also have resistance to Pythium.
Okay. If I want to plant on a small portion of land, do I have to buy a whole tin of 500?
So we have different packages ranging from 25 to 1 kilo.
Oh, thank you.
How frequent do I have to irrigate?
You know, watermelon is 90% water, just 10% the sugar. When the variety is very young, you have just transplanted or the seed has just come up, you are supposed to irrigate very frequently at the field capacity. Do you know what field capacity is? When you come and you take the soil, you squeeze it, you are not having water oozing outside your hand. So the water has to be at field capacity when the crop is young. When it comes to when the crops are starting to set the fruits, you are supposed to do heavy irrigation at lower frequency. And you have to stop irrigation 10 days before harvesting. There's no irrigation. You let the crop dry.
Do we have any melons that are good or almost ready that our farmers can see?
Yeah, we have an Evering block that is almost ready that we can take the farmers, they can see.
Let's do that. Wow, these watermelons look great. Now, to see if a watermelon is ready for harvest, there are a few tests. First, try tapping it, and if you hear a dull hollow sound like this, it's probably ready. Other signs to look out for are a color change from white to cream or pale yellow. Also check for shriveled tendrils on the same stem as the watermelon. If all of these signs are present, then it's harvest time.